Okay, let's quickly get started while I have your attention. Got the book out, Wacky Ways to Succeed with ADHD. Wrote a little article here in 2015. Thought it would really be good to share. So I'm going to read it really quickly. It's really short and give you some ideas, tips, and tricks. Loving and creating the perfect storm. To create the perfect storm, it takes the necessary ingredients, just like it takes the right formula for the ADHD mind to get hyper-focused. Storms can last a short or a long amount of time and can be very unpredictable. However, there is one thing that is always consistent. They come to an end. To be the most productive, it's very crucial to love and take advantage of moments when you get into the zone. How do you accomplish tasks if there is limited internal push to complete them? I've developed a few tricks to create storms to generate motivation and get focus. They're also known as antecedent strategies. So here we go. Place sticky notes on your desk with things you need to complete. So I hung them up here. Things I wanted to complete today in the morning. I bought coffee from the Green Bean. Done. I took the pups for a walk. Done. Checked email. Done. And I read for 10 minutes. Done. Another thing that you can do is you can look at your binder of accomplishments. So if you have a binder or wanting to create one now, you have a binder that you can create with a whole lot of different accomplishments. I have one of mine on my publications that I did, and I'll look through them and go back and forth if I need a little bit more motivation. Let's find out another one. Set a timer to do something for 10 minutes. So you can have a timer. You can set it for 10 minutes, and whatever it might be, it could be going through a closet. I'm just going to do it for 10 minutes. If I want to keep going, I'll keep going. If I don't, I'll stop. Another easy, simple trick to get motivated is creating imaginary deadlines. So today, post YouTube video by March 20th. Gave me a little bit of motivation to sit here and read this book. And another way is to develop a routine block schedule. So I have my block schedule here on my today to-do list. And each hour or 30 minutes or even 15 minutes, you have what you would like to get done and just crossing them off. 7, wake up. That's a pretty easy one. Check. 8, take the dogs for a walk. Check. 9 o'clock, work out. Check. And the momentum keeps going. So those are some nice, easy tips and tricks, especially for those who have ADHD.